Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and interface so scanning works reliably. First, charge the scanner to at least 80% and install fresh batteries. This avoids mid-task drops. Next, decide the connection method, Bluetooth for mobile 2. 4 GHz dongle for a dedicated PC or keyboard wedge to emulate keystrokes. Once done, make sure firmware is up to date and the host device is awake. This reduces pairing errors and speeds the next steps. You now pair and configure the scanner for your workflow. Put the host into discoverable mode or plug in the 4 GHz dongle, then activate the scanner's pairing mode, usually a button hold or barcode. If a match code appears, confirm it on the host. This prevents connecting to the wrong device. Once paired, tailor symbology settings and output format so scans map correctly into your application, and test a few barcodes to validate formatting and timing. You're ready to scan and handle common issues. Aim the beam 4 to 12 inches from the code, tilting slightly to reduce reflection, and press the trigger smoothly. This gives clean reads. If nothing appears, make sure your host app has cursor focus or that the correct COM/keyboard device is selected. If problems persist, reboot host and scanner, repair, swap batteries, and install firmware updates. Doing these steps in order usually restores reliable operation quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.